Hey Jeff, Jack here, doing a video audition for Rock You Like a Hurricane, your version. Hopefully you like it. You've heard my stuff with my previous band Antlers, so I know we're kind of close on moving forward musically, hopefully. So here's another sample of what I can do vocally. So hopefully you dig it, and here we go.
Early morning, the sun comes out. As night was shaking and pretty loud. My cat is purring and scratches my skin. So what is wrong with another sin? The bitch is hungry, she needs to tell. So give her inches and feed her well. New days to come, new places to go. I have to leave it in time for the show. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. My body's burning, it starts to shout. Desire's coming, it breaks out loud. Lust is in cages till storm breaks loose. Just have to make it with someone I choose. The night is calling, I have to go. The wolf is hungry, he wants to show. He's licking his lips, he's ready to win. On the hunt tonight for love and for sin. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. Come on, baby! Here I am, rock you like a hurricane.
You nailed the solo. Good.
Early morning, the sun comes out. Last night was shaking, pretty loud. My cat is purring, scratches my skin. So what is wrong with another sin? Night is calling, I have to go. The wolf is hungry, he wants to show. He's licking his lips, he's ready to win. On the hunt tonight for love and for sin. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. Come on, baby! Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. Here I am.
Something like that. You get the idea.